Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, good news, we are going to discuss all the newest and up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bag that would be released March 2023. I'm so excited to be sharing everything to you. So I would be linking everything on the description box below. So I am inviting everyone to enjoy and watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also in unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Let's start with a brand new bag, tilted in monogram, €2,000. This one I feel is a hybrid of the Pochette Métis and the LV Cluny. What do you think of this one? I love that it comes in the reverse monogram and the black leather trims. Then we have Alma BB BUBBLEGRAM collection. Price is $2,980. Launch date is February 24th. So how cute the color of this one. What do you think of this one, guys? Then still part of the BUBBLEGRAM collection, we have the Over the Moon loop bag for $29.80. Again, same launch date February 24. So it comes with two straps, a long crossbody strap and a chain strap. Next, we have the Kuzan PM Parmi. Price is $4,700. Launch date is February 24th. So again, comes with a very beautiful chain detail and a leather strap. What do you think of the color? Then we have this very beautiful pink Kuzan PM in the Rose Miami. Same price, $4,700. Launching same date of February 24, 2023. Then we have the Giant collection. First we have is the KEEPALL XL strap. Launch date February 24th and price is $2,640. So I'm afraid if this is all vachetta, then it would be a little bit scary to carry out. Next we have the name tag extra large. Price is €1,600. February 24th is the launch date. So again, if this is a non-treated leather, you have to be very extra careful. This one, I'm so obsessed with the Giant key pouch. We have here for the price of $3,850. You can see that it's 19.7 inches by 12 by 3.1 inches. What do you think of this one? Then we have the S-Lock XL. Price is $39.50. So this one I feel would be a better alternative to the all non-treated leather. So this is in black leather with the very gold hardware. Next, we have an SLG. We have the Pochette Cosmetique in extra large. Price is €600. So this one is a different version of the current cosmetic pouch that we have. This one, guys, I am so obsessing the Sackblat Mini. Price is $24.30. So I'm just praying that this would be a little bit bigger versus the Louis Vuitton Petite Sackblat. Then we have, of course, the bigger version, the Sackblat Cross for $2,770. If I'm not mistaken, I was able to try this at the LV store. It has a good size and definitely a good everyday bag. Next bag, we have the Marelle MM. Price is $3,100. So this one, I love a good top handle bag. The material finish is in this beautiful epi leather and comes with the fully detachable coin pouch. Now let's check out the Nanogram collection. First is the Speedy 20 in the black leather. Price is $3,100. This is so cute. I love that the monogram is very teeny tiny. I love also that it comes in the black leather. It also comes in this very beautiful blue leather, the Speedy 20, same price, $3,100. Comes with a fully detachable strap as well. Again, very cute, teeny tiny monogram logo. And it comes in this very bright pink color as well for $3,100. Which one is your favorite from the black, blue, and the pink? Still Nanogram collection, we have the Dauphine MM. Price is 4,600 USD. So this one, very, very cute. I'm still obsessing how teeny tiny the Monogram logo is. I love that it comes with the gold hardware as well. Next, we have a brand new bag, Monogram Clutch, for 3550, launching February 24th. So this is a hybrid of a Louis Vuitton trunk bag and a clutch. I love the S-lock detail and of course the gold chain hardware. Then we have the BDAY 2 City KEEPALL. So this one, unfortunately, we don't have the price yet. So it's a combination of the BDAY 2 and the leather details. Next, we have the Tigerama collection. So this one, Miami Green Backpack. This is going to launch March 2023. For the Tigerama collection, guys, we don't have any prices yet. I will be updating you soon. Next, on the Tigerama collection, we have the Outdoor Messenger bag. How beautiful this neon green color is. What do you think of this one, guys? Then we have the Miami Green Pocket Organizer, still the Tigerama collection, launching on March 2023. I love the vibrant color of this new Tigerama collection. OMG, definitely would not miss this one. So Pochette Voyage in neon green Tigerama collection. How beautiful and cute the color is. Next, we have the KEEPALL in Optic White, same launch date March 2023, still part of the Tigerama collection. So if you are loving white, then definitely this would be a good bag for your collection. Next, we have the Weekend Tote in the Eclipse Monogram, part of the Tigerama collection, launching March 2023. I love the size of this tote bag and look at the beautiful bag tag as well. Next, we have the sling bag in the Eclipse Monogram. Unfortunately, we don't have any prices yet, but very good sling bag, and it comes with a round detachable coin pouch. Then we have the Weekend Tote in Optic White, part of the Tigerama collection, launching March 2023. Very beautiful weekend tote bag. Hi guys, I was about to upload but got more new bags to share to you guys. Still on the Giant collection, we have the Twist LOCKIT XL. Price is 4,500 USD, launching February 24, 2023. I discussed this in my previous vlog. Just look how huge this LV Twist logo is. Last but not the least, we have the DAUPHINE Mini for 3,800, still part of the Giant collection that walked the runway. The price is 3,800, launching February 24, 2023. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? Hopefully, guys, that was so fun for you, just like for myself. I super enjoyed the new and up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. So guys, I would love to hear from you. Kindly comment down below among the new bags that we have discussed for today. Which are your faves and which ones are you adding to your wish list? So again guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @PremierFi2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!